Hello and welcome to the fifth episode of At Ease No Media. Today we will be discussing about ABC. So let's get started. In this video we will be discussing about Audit Bureau of Circulation ABC, and the key points are introduction, functions of ABC and the reports submitted by the ABC. Introduction. What is ABC? ABC is the Audit Bureau of Circulation. It's an independent, self-financing private body charged with the responsibility of conducting regular audit of the net circulation of newspaper. That means it regulates or it counts the net circulation of newspapers. So who counts the net circulation of newspapers? The ABC is responsible for counting the net circulation of newspapers. ABC is considered as the highly reputed and reliable source of this audit bureau. Next, coming to the point, the functions of ABC. The main functions of ABCs are like counting the copies delivered, the copies which are sold, the copies which are unsold, the number of delivered by mail. So, during auditing, the ABC is only responsible for all these matters. Now, ABC's major function is to maintain the demand and supply of the newspapers. Mainly they are dealing with the print media. After taking care of the demand and supply, they moves on to the payment section, where they look after the payment received from the agents in time or not. They also looks for the action taken by the circulation department to maintain agency and house relationships strong. They need to maintain the house and agency relationship strong. It's just like a public relation officer. So ABC conducts and maintains the house and agency relationship strong, and lastly they verifies the figure shown in the statement and examines each and every records. Moving on to the last part, the reports. The ABC conducts this audit twice a year. Thus it helps the advertisers as well as the newspapers. How it helps the advertisers? From the verified facts, the advertisers can draw their conclusion and prepare advertising plans. They can choose their target audience by knowing the depth of the circulation. So, with the help of this circulation, advertisers can easily pre-plan their advertisements and spread their message carefully to the targeted audiences. Now, how the newspapers are getting advantages from this audit bureau circulation? So, newspapers are also getting benefited because they gain respect and confidence of advertisers. As we all know, in a newspaper organization, the main revenue comes from the advertising agencies. So, the newspaper, suppose X newspaper is having more advertisements, that means the circulation of X newspaper is more. This we have discussed in the concept of dual economy. That means that circulation and the advertisement department. So ABC bridges the circulation and advertisement departments so that both the advertisers and the newspaper organizations get fruitful results with this help of ABC. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Keep support.